107 Boeing jets have crashed in 25 years. That's a fatal accident every 10 weeks. Once the brand meant engineering perfection. Today it triggers hearings, hashtags, and heart-stopping headlines. Buckle in, this flight about Boeing goes straight through the storm. For 8 decades, Boeing's slide rule engineers outranked everyone. Safety first, schedule second, profit third. Then came 1997. The McDonnell-Douglas merger moved cost-cutters into the captain's chair. Spreadsheets outranked wind tunnel data. Executive bonuses tied straight to share price. Test hours vanished, outsourcing soared. Veteran engineer Peter Robison called it the day Wall Street grabbed the yoke. The 29th of October 2018, Lion Air 610 disappears into the Java Sea. The 10th of March 2019, Ethiopian 302 slams into farmland near Bishoftu. Both were brand new 737 MAX jets. Hidden MCAS software forced their noses down. 346 people lost. 20-month global grounding. Penalties exceeding $20 billion. The 5th of January 2024, Alaska Airlines 1282. A cabin door plug blows out at 16,000 feet. Masks drop. Children cry. Seatbelts strain. Miraculously, no one dies, this time. The FAA grounds 171 MAX 9s and freezes production expansion. Quality manager John Barnett testified, Dreamliners built with scrap parts, 25% of oxygen units may fail. 2 days after sworn testimony, Barnett is found dead, ruled a suicide. Engineer Sam Salehpour testifies in U.S. Senate that at Boeing, shut up or be fired. He describes threats and altered data on 787 and 777 fuselage gaps. Dozens more report falsified inspections, missing fasteners, and retaliation for slowing the line. The 787 debuted in 2011 as a green marvel. Carbon fiber body, lower emissions. 2013, lithium-ion batteries ignite, first FAA grounding of a US jet since 1979. 2025, fresh claims of seat rail cracks, shortcut shimming, and fuselage. Pilots quietly dub it the disaster liner. Ahmedabad, India, Air India Flight 171, a 787 becomes a fireball. Sole survivor Viswas Kumar wakes amid wreckage. His brother never escapes the flames. In Heathrow, 2 children wait for a father who will never arrive. Across continents, empty chairs replace plans and passports. More than 50 nations have restricted or banned specific Boeing models. Still, multi-billion-dollar orders roll on, driven by lobbyists, not lift. US presidents showcase 100-jet mega deals on TV. Airlines crave volume discounts. Few countries build wide bodies of their own. Economists warn, one catastrophic crash erases more wealth and more lives than any production delay. Regulators worldwide are re-auditing MAX 9s and Dreamliners. The FAA has frozen Boeing's expansion until quality systems prove effective. 3 hard fixes remain. 1. Safety-first governance, engineers get veto power. 2. Transparent audits, results published, not sealed. 3. Passenger vigilance, flyers choose airlines that prove maintenance over margins. Until Boeing proves its house is in order, the safest seat may still be the one that never leaves the gate. Would you board a Boeing tomorrow? Comment below. Subscribe for evidence-based coverage. Share this story, because sunlight, not secrecy, keeps airplanes in the sky.